In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use ChatGPT to answer in general. Okay? Now, in answering something, it's basically it all really depends on what you ask and how you ask, right? So the first main pointer would be to ask clear and specific questions. So instead of saying, tell me about history, what you can do is ask instead is what were the main causes of World War II or any specific point in history. Perhaps it could be about World War One, or maybe something back in the past to maybe something like the third or the fourth century. But what it's asking you is to be clear and specific in whatever you ask, right? So instead of saying help me with math, what you can do is how do I solve a particular equation, such as maybe 2x plus 5 equals 15, and to solve it for x, right? So you basically need to be specific and clear. And the next thing you could do is provide context, because what ChatGPT can't really answer without some important information, right? You need to sometimes give it some important information. So an example could be, I am writing an essay on climate change. Can you give me three key arguments? So when you just say that I'm just writing an essay on climate change, it just really doesn't know what to do. It could probably give you some points out there, but it really doesn't know how to gather the information, what are you precisely looking for, and some key points in there, right? So you need to give it that last sentence or question kind of thing there. So can you give me three key arguments? Okay, right, like that. You need to be pretty specific and give context as well. You could also do another thing is that is you use step-by-step requests. So instead of just saying solve this for me, sometimes what ChatGPT could do is just give you the answer straightforward. Or sometimes it could skip a few steps in between and you might not be able to understand, right? So what you can do instead is to request ChatGPT step-by-step processes, right? Clearly. So let's say an example could be, can you show me step by step on how to solve, can you show me step by step on how to solve 3x plus 5 equals 13 equals 12, right? And it gives you the steps. It also gives you some explanation regarding why the steps were taken, and it gives you the final answer. There we go. Step by step process done. Right. So that's how you could use ChatGPT to by getting some step by step requests, and you can also ask for example, different formats. So you can ask for example, if you need a summary, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize this article in 3 sentences, perhaps. You need perhaps a formal response. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite this in a professional tone. Need a creative version? Ask, make this sound like a more fun story, right? So you can use ChatGPT to answer your needs in several different ways, all right? All right, so I hope this video helped you guys out, and that'll be it for this video, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.